Dysgraphia affects an estimated 5 to 20% of school age children globally, while dyspraxia impacts around 5 to 6% of children worldwide. In India alone, studies suggest nearly 6% of primary school children may be affected by developmental coordination disorders. For these children, writing is not just difficult. It's painful, frustrating, and emotionally exhausting. They struggle with messy handwriting, poor spacing, shaky strokes, and fatigue. Many feel embarrassed or less capable compared to their peers. Hello, my name is Shiv Sathe. I'm from Oberoi International School in Mumbai, India. Today, I'm presenting my Blue Ocean idea. So my solution is NeuroWrite, the smart assistive pen for confident learning. NeuroWrite is an adaptive smart pen that detects grip pressure, stroke smoothness, tremors, and writing posture in real time. It provides gentle haptic feedback, transforming handwriting from a daily struggle to a guided confidence learning experience. The current smart pen market is dominated by products like the LifeScribe Smart Pen. If we're talking about writing assistants, products like the Pen Again Agrosoft or the Stabilio Easy Original are ergonomically designed to reduce strain and improve grip positioning. Similarly, weighted pens such as the LJCM Big Fat Weighted Pen aims to provide stability for children with motor difficulties. If we compare the LJCM Big Fat Weighted Pen to NeuroWrite, we can see that traditional tools like pencil grips are inexpensive but passive. NeuroWrite costs slightly more due to its sensors and adaptive technology, yet it remains far more affordable than occupational therapy. Unlike mechanical tools that only support the hand, NeuroWrite actively trains writing. It detects grip force and pressure, providing instant vibration feedback so children can correct mistakes in real time. While other tools are static, NeuroWrite adapts as the child improves, gradually reducing guidance to build independence. It focuses on strengthening fine motor skills, not just comfort. Unlike smart pens that only record notes, NeuroWrite improves handwriting itself. And because it looks like a regular pen, it integrates naturally into classrooms without a stigma. NeuroWrite doesn't just assist writing, it trains it. NeuroWrite primarily targets children aged 5 to 12 who struggle with handwriting development. This includes students with dysgraphia, dyspraxia, ADHD, or general fine motor delays. Additionally, we can see in the three tiers of non-customers that our first and most closest tier is children already struggling with handwriting who use low-tech sports like pencil grip. Our second tier would be undiagnosed children who fall behind academically due to unrecognized motor difficulties. Our third tier would be schools in developing countries like India that lack affordable adaptive assistive technology. And additionally, it's also elderly people who suffer from arthritis. My solution to the ERRC grid helps me understand that I need to eliminate the stigma of special tools by designing it to look like a regular pen. I also need to cut down the independence on constant therapist supervision. We need to reduce the cost compared to therapy-heavy interventions and teacher workload through automated progress tracking. I need to raise real-time corrective feedback, data-driven personalization, and emotional support during writing. I need to create grip pressure using FSR sensors, stroke motion tracking using 6-axis IMU, a gentle haptic vibration guidance, built-in silent fidget mechanisms for emotional regulation. Unlike current tools, NeuroWrite is adaptive, measurable, and emotionally supportive. NeuroWrite integrates a microcontroller such as the ESP32, motion tracking via MPU6050 IMU, grip pressure sensing using force-sensitive resistors, tip contact detection for accurate stroke segmentation, gentle vibration feedback using an LRA motor, and a 200 to 500 milliamp hour rechargeable lithium-powered battery. Some of the milestones I've currently achieved are the concept research is completed, technical architecture has already been designed, core components have been identified, and feasibility has been validated using existing microcontrollers and sensors. The next milestone will be the prototype development and pilot testing with schools and occupational therapists. NeuroWrite creates a blue ocean by shifting focus from productivity to inclusion. Instead of competing in crowded smart pen markets, we redefine the category. From note-taking devices to therapeutic learning tools, we achieve differentiation through adaptive feedback, emotional support, and progress tracking, while maintaining affordability using existing hardware ecosystems. For millions of children, handwriting is a barrier. NeuroWrite turns that barrier into growth, confidence, and opportunity. Write better, feel better, learn fearlessly. Thank you.